Good morning from San Cristobal de las Casas in Chiapas State, Mexico. I'm staying at La Isla Hostel right in the center. It's a great location, great hostel, very hippie vibes. They put on some yoga in the morning, cacao ceremony, all of this stuff, and it's really cool. I did some yoga this morning. I haven't been feeling too great since I got here. The water is extra bad here, and I think I got a bit of the water and haven't been feeling great. So I've been in bed all day yesterday, but I feel a bit better today, so I'm just out getting food. Say hi. Ah. As always, but today we basically just went and got a vegan food, and then my stomach wasn't feeling very good. It started raining, so we went back to the hostel. When it rains here, it rains, it pours, it's crazy. Then I just went back to the hostel. We got jackets and shoes, and then we went to the markets. There's like 3 main markets here in town, so I've heard. Like a fruit market, food market, and then 2 clothing textile markets. And then we just walked around town a little bit more, and then now we're on a walking tour that's 2.5 hours. Going all over town. We're about like halfway through it, but it's pretty nice that our guide is really passionate about Mexico as a whole and tourism in Mexico and how to keep it safe and everything. It's really sweet. I'll let you know how that goes. You just come to the main square here, right next to the cross, for the free walking tour. So sorry I haven't really caught up with you today. The walking tour was so worth it. It was more of a food tour. It was really nice because they took you around to all the local places, and we got to try like coffee, posh, which is alcohol to this region, soups. It was amazing. I would highly suggest it. It was like 2.5 hours, quite long, but the guy was amazing and he was so passionate about everything he said. To a taco place that he also suggested on the tour, and it was really good. I just had guacamole. And yeah, we're just gonna end the night going to Revolution, a salsa bar. Yeah, so this is good night. I hope you did enjoy today's vlog. I'm so sorry it was less talking, but I haven't been feeling too well. So make sure you subscribe and like the video if you found today's video helpful or fun to watch. And buenos noches. Excited?
Yeah.
Oh.
Got the little babies there on top. And they have babies between 20 and 30.